What's up, guys? Welcome back. Toji gets a job with Apple, becomes their new logo. Let's draw this. Requested a few times. So, the end of his fight with Gojo. Apple logo, as it's memed often. Landscape page. Use a pencil, use an eraser, hit pause, go too fast. We're going to try and fit in most of his body. So we're like top of the head down to maybe like his belly button, somewhere around there. So the head's quite small. Zoom in. Zoop. And sad eyes. So very flat eyes, right? Like so. Bottom eyelid. Like that. And he's looking down. So we'll curve it this way. Imagine it just goes down the other side then. And the pupil somewhere in here. You can't really see much in terms of pupils and everything, but we'll put it there. He's looking down. And then there's like some eyelid lines and all that good stuff just around the eye. Eyebrow not clearly visible, but we'll go there maybe. And then eye on the other side. Flat across. And then bottom eyelid line again, very thin, curving around there. And then he's looking down at the damage. And then an eyelid line across the top. And then the eyebrow. Just up here somewhere. Very thin at the back, the eyebrows. And then the nose just comes down like so. And tip of the nose there. And the nostril just at the side. And then the mouth, so they do two lines. So they do this thing where they go just there in the corner. Then they leave a gap. They go down like that, right? And he has that characteristic scar on his lip. And then his bottom lip sort of there somewhere. I think they might draw like some of the bridge of his nose kind of there. Right, so his chin, real square. Like so. And this side keeps going for his jaw. There. And this side's slightly different, so it goes like around for his cheek. That way. So we're not the same both sides. It's a slightly different line shape. Jaw and cheek. Then we got his hair spiking down over his eyes in some cases. Right, so the hair spike there. Does that go? There's a couple more just down behind his head, I think. Right, and then this goes up in. I can't see this in the, so I think that might go off top of my page, and then it just curves back down to a few more spikes out the front here. This part is like cut off. I think this is kind of flat here. Maybe it's rounder actually. Different in the manga now, but I think that'll do for what we're trying to accomplish. Ear lines inside, and then we get some anatomy in. So neck comes down that way, other side, and then some necklines inside, right? So you got a t-shirt collar then, just around his neck. And it meets his little cursed dude that's like sitting on his shoulder. This is like his leg. I'll come back and do him. We just get like, maybe his legs just here that are touching Toji's shoulder. So we just gotta go out here now for his t-shirt. And this is like oozing. And then we got like the top of this circle, jaggedy all. In here. And then so his waistband goes this way, and then like it's wrapped around here. He's got like some folding lines, and then his stomach muscles are just here. So center line for his chest, that way. Collarbone goes that way. Maybe some other bumping lines there. And then like six pack. Arm hanging down here, and then that little dude that's sitting on his shoulder. So we'll get the snake body thing bumping. Is that his shoulder? No, that's body of the thing. So this kind of big centipede, caterpillar type thing here. I think it's, oh, that's cut off as well actually. And this guy has like some texture lines on it. And then, so, like side of his body here. Arm, so we got like another shoulder sticking out sort of here somewhere. Like a fold for his t-shirt. Coming across his tricep and bicep. Strange way they drew that. What way is his arm? Okay, I'll just copy it. Doesn't make sense, this. But I don't want to insult anyone. That's like a tricep. Forearm. Someone messed up. We'll go this way, because that's tricep. Okay. Something tells me like they chose to put that cloud of smoke where it is to hide whatever's happening down here, because that looks weird. But you know, I'm not a professional animator, so they clearly know what they're doing. I love Jujutsu Kaisen. I'm sorry. So the little guy on his shoulder is like screeching, not happy. Things are bad, and there's like some scratches, blood all here. You'd have to do that with red, really. There's all blood everywhere. So I'll just do this little guy. So he's in bits. He's not happy. So he's like eyes bulging. Two of them here. I mean, kind of like closed eyes, kind of. And then a little fuzzy head. And then his nose. And then his mouth is weird, so it's like teeth. Don't know what's happening with his lips, but big fat head going this way. I need to see this cursed creature's backstory. That's what I need to see. Okay. Toji, I think that's the best I can do. Toji becomes the Apple logo. I love the internet. Like, that's like the funniest thing. Description of this. It's so funny. And sad at the same time. Hope it's helpful. Thanks for watching. See you in the next one. Bye.